Welcome to Biology with Deepika. In this video, we will be learning about the basic difference between the structure of a plant and an animal cell. So let's begin. This is the 3D structure of an animal cell. Here we see this is a 3D structure of an animal cell, a basic animal cell. If we take out a cell of an animal from an animal and look under the microscope, it looks like this. It has all the cell organelles. We'll see the animal cell, the outer lining is known as the plasma membrane. This is the outer lining of the animal cell. This is known as the plasma membrane. This is thin, elastic, selectively permeable membrane around the cytoplasm. This yellow portion is known as the cytoplasm, and this is the cell sap between the nucleolus. This is the nucleus, and this is known as the nucleolus and the plasma membrane. So this is the outer covering, plasma membrane. Then the nucleus is centrally located. The nucleus is first seen by Leeuwenhoek in the RBC of fish. It is discovered by Robert Brown in pollen grain and stigma cells, and the term of nucleus is given by Robert Brown. All the cellular and most of the cell division takes place in the nucleus. The cell wall is but the cell wall is absent in animal cell. That's why when an animal cell is placed in an hypertonic solution, it gets burst. The chloroplasts are absent in animal cell, but it is found in a plant cell. The centrosome or centrioles is generally present in the animal cell. This is the centriole, and it is present in the animal cell. So that's why the spindle formation is formed in an animal cell is amphiastral. As centrosome is present, it helps in the formation of astral rays, and amphi means both sides. So in animal cell, due to the presence of centrosome, amphiastral rays are formed. Here the astral rays are found in both poles of the cell. Animal cell lack vacuoles, or it is very rarely present, and cytokinesis occurs through the method of furrow formation. Here we see how the cytokinesis is occurring through furrow formation. This is the furrow formation. So this is the basic animal cell structure, how it is different from the plant cell. Then we will go to the plant cell. This is the basic 3D structure of a plant cell, and here in plant cell, the cell wall, the outer lining is known as the cell wall. It is present in plant cell, which is absent in animal cell. Due to the presence of this cell wall, it do not get burst when placed in an hypotonic solution. The chloroplast, this is the green color pigment chloroplast, are present in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. Centriole is absent in plant cell. So spindle fibers are not formed, so it is anastral. And the cytokinase is in plant cell by cell plate formation. Here we see how the cell plate is forming, growing cell plate, and the cell plate is forming, and the cytokinesis occurs in plant cell like this. So this is the basic structure of plant and animal cell, which are different from each other. Then we will go to the two-dimensional structure of plant and animal cell. When we come to the two-dimensional structure of plant and animal cell, first let's see what is the shape of the plant and animal cell. The shape of the plant cell are usually angular, square, or rectangular. But the shape of the animal cell are usually round cells. Here we see how the animal cell are round in shape. Then the cell wall is present in the plant cell. Here the cell wall is present in the plant cell, but cell wall is absent in the animal cell. The cell wall is discovered by Robert Hooke. Then the plasma membrane is present in both the plant and animal cell. Here the plasma membrane, this is the lining of plasma membrane in plant cell, and this is the outer lining of the animal cell is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is the a thin, elastic, selective permeable membrane around the cytoplasm. And I have mentioned before that cytoplasm is the cell sap between the nucleolus and the plasma membrane. Then we come to the nucleus. In plant cell, the nucleus is present at one side of the cell, but in animal cell, it is centrally located. And most of the cell division activity takes place inside the nucleus. And then come the lysosomes. Lysosomes are present very rare in plant cell and it is present in animal cell. Here is the lysosome present in animal cell. Lysosome is discovered by Christian D. Duve in liver cells. Digestion, it helps in the digestion of external particles and intracellular substances, and it has also the known as the suicidal bag of the cell because it has the function of autolysis, which means under certain pathological conditions, lysosome digests cell organelles, and this is known as autophagy because it leads to the death of that cell. Then it also helps in extracellular digestion. Lysosome help in extracellular digestion, which means sometimes enzymes from liposomes from release enzymes which dissolve the protective coating of ovum. Then comes the organelle known as mitochondria. Mitochondria is present in both plant and animal cell. Mitochondria is present, but it is present fewer in plant cell because most of the activity is done by chloroplast in plant cell, but in animal cell chloroplast is absent and mitochondria is mostly present. Mitochondria helps in the is known as the powerhouse of the cell and it helps in the ATP synthesis. Then the chloroplast helps in the it's the green pigment present in the plant cell and in helps in the food formation in plants. Then we'll come to the centrosome. Centrosome usually absent in the plant cell as I have mentioned before, and centrosome is present in the animal cell. The centrioles are also present. Centrioles are present in animal cell and centriole are absent in the plant cell. And the endoplasmic reticulum is present in both plant and the animal cell. When the ribosome is attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it is known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum. And when the ribosome is not attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, it is known as the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is present in both plant and animal cell. This is the rough endoplasmic reticulum in animal cell, and this is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum in the plant cell. These are the smooth endoplasmic. These are the free ribosomes found in the cell. It is also found in the plant cell. Then uh, we will see the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is present in both plant and animal cell. Here the Golgi apparatus in animal cell, the Golgi apparatus in plant cell. And Golgi apparatus are they secrete vesicles and lysosome that lysosome, and it helps in the synthesis of pectins and other carbohydrates necessary for cell wall formation. It secretes gums and mucilage. It is also associated with storage, condensation, packaging, and transportation of various substances. So Golgi apparatus help in transportation, storage, and condensation of many substances inside the cell. Then come the then ribosomes. These are ribosomes attached to smooth endoplasmic reticulum, free ribosomes. These are present both in the plant and animal cell, and these are the center for protein synthesis. So this is the basic difference between the structure of plant and animal cell, and we have discussed how the characteristic feature shape of the cell, cell wall, plasma membrane, nucleus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, vacuoles, centrosome or centriole, cytokinesis, Golgi apparatus, the endoplasmic reticulum, glyoxysome and crystals are rarely occurs in plant cell and always present in the animal cell. The cilia are absent in the plant cell and present in most of the animal cells. So this is how the structure of plant and animal cell varies, and the difference between the structure of plant and animal cell. So thanks for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it. Thank you so much for watching.